Hello. Okay. This dance is called Shadow Friend line dance, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia on February 2022. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. There is no tag or restart. Okay, this is a song by Holy Moly with the title of the song is Shadow Friend. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, to touch, close, to touch, close. Half pivot to left, and then quarter pivot to left. Okay, and then section 2, weave, right weave, cross, side, cross behind, side. And then cross over, recover, side together and quarter, turn to right, step forward. Section 3, step forward, touch, step back, touch, and then quarter pivot to right, step, recover, and then cross over, side touch. And then section 4, step forward, recover, coaster step, and then half pivot to right, and then lock shuffle forward. Okay, now let's do it with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial. I hope you can enjoy. I hope you can follow the steps. So I look forward to see your demo version. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice weekend. Bye.